Hello, and a very warm welcome. I'm so glad you've chosen to be here with me today. Let's take a quiet moment and talk about something deeply personal, something many of us over 60 know all too well. It's the feeling of the morning, not the beautiful, sun-drenched, full of promise morning we see in pictures, but the real one, the one where the alarm clock goes off, and your mind might be willing, but your body feels like it never truly rested. It's that heavy feeling, the stiffness in your joints that makes those first few steps a challenge, the mental fog that takes a cup or two of coffee just to begin to lift. It is one of the great frustrations of getting older. You have the wisdom, the time, and the desire to fill your days with projects, with family, with hobbies you love, but you wake up feeling like your energy reserves are already empty before the day has even begun. You might sleep for 7 or 8 hours, but the quality isn't there. You wake up feeling as though you've been running a marathon in your sleep, not recharging your batteries. And I want you to know, if this sounds familiar, you are not alone and you are not imagining it. This feeling is real, it is valid, and most importantly, it is not something you simply have to accept as a permanent part of your life. Today, we are going to explore a gentle, comforting, and wonderfully effective way to change the story of your mornings. We are going to talk about a simple drink, a warm and soothing elixir that you can prepare in just a few minutes before bed. This isn't a magic potion or a pharmaceutical fix. It is something much kinder. It's a blend of natural, science-backed ingredients designed to work with your body, not against it, to address the deep-rooted reasons why you wake up feeling so tired. It's a nightly ritual that tells your body, it's time to rest, to repair, and to restore. This conversation is about giving you back the power to wake up feeling refreshed, to greet the day with a sense of vitality, and to have the energy to truly live your life to the fullest. Before we dive into what this special drink is, I'd love for you to share in the comments below. What would you do with more energy in the mornings? What project or passion would you pursue? Your dreams and goals matter, and they are what this is all about. And if you find value in our time together, please consider subscribing. Our community is here to support and encourage you on your journey to vibrant health. To understand why our special bedtime drink works so well, we first need to understand why we're waking up so tired in the first place. It's usually not just one thing, but a combination of factors that become more pronounced as we get older. Think of it as a three-legged stool, and if any one of these legs is wobbly, your energy will be too. The first leg is, of course, sleep quality. As we age, our natural production of melatonin, the hormone that governs our sleep-wake cycles, can begin to decline. This means that even if you're in bed for 8 hours, you might be spending more time in light, restless sleep and less time in the deep restorative stages. Deep sleep is when your body does its most critical physical repair work, mending muscle tissues, consolidating memories, and flushing toxins from the brain. If you're not getting enough of this high-quality deep sleep, you will absolutely wake up feeling like your body is still tired and worn out. The second leg of the stool, and this is one that is so often overlooked, is inflammation. I'm not talking about the acute inflammation you get from an injury, but a low-grade chronic inflammation that can simmer in the background throughout your body. Think of it as a small, smoldering fire that never quite goes out. This chronic inflammation is a major contributor to the joint pain, aching, and morning stiffness that so many seniors experience. Your body spends a tremendous amount of energy all night long trying to manage this inflammation, leaving very little left over for you when you wake up. You feel stiff and sore because your body has been in a state of low-key battle instead of a state of deep rest and repair. The third leg is blood sugar stability. You might not think of blood sugar as being related to sleep, but it is incredibly important. If your blood sugar spikes and then crashes during the night, it can trigger the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are designed to wake you up and they can pull you out of deep sleep, even if you don't fully become conscious. This roller coaster can leave you feeling jittery, anxious, and completely drained by the time your alarm goes off. A stable blood sugar level throughout the night is essential for calm, uninterrupted rest. So, we have poor sleep quality, chronic inflammation, and unstable blood sugar. These three factors conspire to rob you of your morning energy. Our goal, therefore, is to find a way to gently and naturally support all three of these areas. And that is precisely what our warm bedtime drink is designed to do. It's time to reveal the simple yet powerful ingredients that make up this golden elixir for a better morning. Each component is chosen for its specific, scientifically supported ability to address one of the legs of our wobbly stool. Let's start with the base, a warm cup of milk or a non-dairy alternative like almond, oat, or coconut milk. The simple act of drinking something warm before bed is psychologically comforting. It's a primal signal to our bodies that the day is done and it's time to wind down. But there's a biochemical reason too. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan. Your body uses tryptophan to produce serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter that promotes feelings of well-being and relaxation. That serotonin, in turn, is a precursor to melatonin, our essential sleep hormone. So, a warm cup of milk is the perfect, gentle first step to coaxing your body towards sleep. Now, to this warm base, we add our first star ingredient, the one that directly tackles sleep quality. We are going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of Tart Cherry Juice concentrate. Tart cherries are one of nature's richest sources of natural melatonin. This isn't a synthetic hormone, it's the real deal, in a form your body readily recognizes. Numerous studies have shown that subjects who drank Tart Cherry Juice before bed not only fell asleep faster, but also experienced longer, higher quality sleep, with fewer nighttime awakenings. By giving your body this natural boost of melatonin, you are helping to reset your internal clock and encouraging your brain to spend more time in that deeply restorative sleep your body craves. Next, we address the second leg of the stool, inflammation. For this, we turn to one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices on the planet, turmeric. The golden-hued spice contains a miracle compound called curcumin, which is a potent natural anti-inflammatory. Remember that smoldering fire we talked about? Curcumin works at a cellular level to help dampen that fire. By drinking a small amount each night, you are providing your body with the tools it needs to calm down that chronic inflammation while you sleep. The result? You can wake up with significantly less stiffness, fewer aches and pains, and your body hasn't had to waste its precious energy reserves fighting inflammation all night. For this, you'll want to add about half a teaspoon of good quality turmeric powder. But there's a little secret to unlocking the full power of turmeric. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. It needs a catalyst. That catalyst is a simple pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to increase the absorption of curcumin by an incredible 2,000%. Just a tiny pinch is all you need to make sure that golden turmeric is working its anti-inflammatory magic at full strength. Finally, we address the third leg of our stool, blood sugar stability. For this, we add a gentle dash, about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, of cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just a delicious warming spice. It is well known for its ability to help improve insulin sensitivity and promote stable blood sugar levels. By adding a little cinnamon to your bedtime drink, you can help prevent those disruptive spikes and crashes overnight, allowing for a more serene and uninterrupted sleep, and ensuring you don't wake up feeling shaky and depleted from a blood sugar roller coaster. So, to recap the simple recipe, gently warm 1 cup of your chosen milk. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of Tart Cherry Juice concentrate, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tiny pinch of black pepper. Stir it all together, and you have a beautiful golden elixir that is ready to go, to work for you. Now, having the right ingredients is only half the story. The other half is about how you use them. This drink is more than just a supplement. It is an invitation to create a powerful and healing nightly ritual. The modern world is constantly bombarding us with stimulation, bright screens, endless news cycles, the pressures of the day. We can't expect our bodies to go from 100 to 0 the moment our head hits the pillow. We need to create a buffer zone, a gentle transition into rest. And this drink can be the anchor of that transition. About 30 to 45 minutes before you plan to go to sleep, begin your ritual, turn off the television, put your phone away, preferably in another room. Dim the lights in your kitchen and living area. As you gently warm the milk and stir in the spices, do it with intention. Pay attention to the beautiful golden color, the warm aroma. This is not another chore. This is a profound act of self-care. Find a comfortable chair, away from screens. Sip your drink slowly. Feel its warmth spread through your body. Maybe you listen to some soft, calming music. Maybe you read a few pages of a gentle book. Or maybe you simply sit in the quiet and let the thoughts of the day drift away. This 15-minute period is a powerful signal to your brain and your body. It says the day is done, the work is over, you are safe, it is time to rest. By creating this consistent ritual, the drink itself becomes even more powerful. Your body begins to associate the taste and smell of this elixir with deep relaxation and sleep, making it easier to drift off each night. This is your non-negotiable appointment with yourself for rest and rejuvenation. As with any change to your health routine, it's important to approach this with wisdom and care. While these ingredients are natural and safe for most people, it is always a good idea to speak with your doctor before adding something new, especially if you are on medication. Cinnamon and turmeric can affect blood sugar and have mild blood-thinning properties, so if you are on medications for diabetes or a blood thinner, having a quick conversation with your provider is a smart step. And remember, consistency is key. The benefits of reducing inflammation in particular are cumulative. You might feel the sleep benefits right away, but the reduction in morning stiffness may take a week or two of consistent use to become truly noticeable. Be patient and gentle with your body as it heals. In the end, this is all about reclaiming your mornings, and by extension, reclaiming the potential of your days. Waking up with a feeling of lightness, with a mind that is clear, and with a body that is ready to move, is not a luxury. It is how you deserve to feel. It is the foundation upon which a joyful, active, and engaged life is built. This warm, golden drink is not a magic cure, but it is a beautiful, powerful tool. It is a nightly ritual that nourishes your body, calms your mind, and sets the stage for deep, restorative healing. It is a simple way to honor the body that has carried you so far, and to provide it with exactly what it needs to wake up with energy, ready to embrace a new day. Here's to your health, and here's to many, many brighter mornings ahead.